The one ingredient that changes everything is in its name. It's the heavy cream that elevates this dish and puts a smile on your face. Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're gonna make creamy beef rigatoni. You're gonna love this dish. It's easy to make. You can actually make this in 31 minutes. We're certainly under 45 minutes. Let me tell you what the ingredients are. We've got 2 cups of marinara sauce, 1 cup of beef broth, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 small onion diced, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, 1 pound of lean beef, ground beef, and this is 14 ounces, but you want to use about 12 ounces of the rigatoni. All right, so we're going to start with the beef. I'm just gonna throw this in. This is 80/20, so it'll have a little grease. If it's got too much, pour the grease off. And I'm using a pretty good sized skillet. We're gonna get started, then we'll put the onions in with this. And we're gonna get all the pink out. So I did put just a little salt and pepper in here with this because it's hard not to cook with that. Just waiting for all the pink to be gone. Got the meat completely browned. We're going to put in the garlic, the basil, the oregano, mix that around, and we're gonna cook that for about a minute or so. Now you can smell it. And I didn't really think I had too much grease so that I had to pull this out. All right, that's about a minute. It's time now to put in our 2 cups of marinara, our 1 cup of beef broth, our half teaspoon of salt. And that's why I didn't put very much salt in there. I did add a little more pepper. There was no pepper actually called for it in this recipe. And then we've got the 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. That'll make it much richer. And then we're gonna cook this for about 6, 7, 8 minutes, somewhere in there. So it starts thickening up a little bit. Mix the paste in well and let it simmer. In the meantime, we're gonna get our pasta water hot and go ahead and put in our rigatoni. So we've cooked this about 7, 8 minutes, and I'm now gonna turn it down because we don't want the cream to separate. So we don't wanna really boil it now. We wanna really low simmer this. So I'm gonna let it get a little cooler, and then we're gonna add the cream to it. And that's what's going to make this creamy beef rigatoni. And that looks delightful. I actually made something like this in Santorenzo, but I had really Italian ingredients. All right, so we're gonna let this simmer very low now for about 5 more minutes. Creamy beef rigatoni evolved in the 1900s in the Italian-American tradition of hearty meat-sauced pasta. Rigatoni is the pasta of choice because of the ridges that hold the creamy sauce onto the pasta. The word rigatoni comes from the word rigato, which means ridged or lined. The addition of heavy cream makes this dish the Italian cousin of beef stroganoff. Ours is tasty, creamy, and super easy to make. So our rigatoni is done. We're gonna save some pasta water in case we need it. And we're gonna cook that a couple more minutes. I did drain off a little bit of grease. I took a spoon to it. Had a little more than I wanted. And I tell you, I would put, and am going to put, a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan on this. And we're gonna see if this thickens up from the starch that's in the rigatoni itself, because there's still some there. We didn't rinse it. If we'd have rinsed it, it wouldn't be there. And if we needed to thicken up a little bit more, we'll add a little pasta water to it and then cook that down, and that should thicken up even more. Because you want this a nice, thick, hearty sauce, but it's looking like it's sticking nicely. And that's starch for sure. And now I'm gonna turn it up. And I think we're done. We're gonna plate it and taste it. All right, so we're gonna put a little bit of parm on here, just because we can. Okay, and we're ready to taste. Look how good it's sticking to everything. I'll tell you what, if you don't like that, there is something wrong with you. I cannot wait for you to taste this. I don't know if you can get that in there. I got it there, got it like a log there, cut in there. You have to open your mouth pretty wide.
I don't know how big you think my mouth is, sir.
I'm not saying a thing here. I'm not saying a word. Listen, this is good. This is easy to make. The cream elevates it. It's so tasty. You can taste all the flavors. The rigatoni is great. Those little ridges really do grab onto that sauce. Every bite's good. You gotta try this. If you like the video, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. That helps my channel. And I'll see you next time on
While you're in the kitchen.